It all started on the day I turned 7. I'd just woken up and I spotted a present. It was a big book wrapped in a pretty ribbon, but the best part wasn't the ribbon, it was the book. The book was all about my favorite thing in the world, birds. It was given to me by my aunt who knows about all types of birds, even more than me. Wow. It's her job to study birds, and because of that, she travels all around the world. Aunt Libby's her name, but she likes to be called Birdbrain. She used to live just down the street from me, and even though she's across the world now, we're still like best friends. But every now and then, Aunt Libby sends me a postcard with my name on it, Alex Douglas, and on every postcard there's a mysterious bird and a riddle on the back.
Dear Alex, what bird cannot fly but is both black, white, and yellow and can swim, walk, and waddle? Love, your Aunt, Birdbrain.
My job is to guess the name of the bird with the help of my magical book. And when I guess the right name, penguin, that's when the adventure begins. Whoa, Antarctica's so cold, right, Vermont?
What?
Are you cold?
What? No, I'm used to the temperature. The coldest Antarctica ever gets is only minus 90 degrees.
Wow, the coldest I've ever felt was minus 20, and I was freezing.
What?
How do you penguins keep warm?
Well, we have feathers that are scaly, and when the cold water touches them, the water glides right off.
So you mean you penguins can swim in freezing cold water and... Now remember, every postcard Aunt Libby sends has a different bird on it. Can you guess this one?
Dear Alex, what bird is colorful as a rainbow and talks with a squawk? Love, your Aunt, Birdbrain.
Could it be the Amazon parrot? Whoa, Brazil is beautiful. It's so warm here. Did you hear that? That must be our friend the parrot. Is he over here? No! Is he up here? No! Then is he over here? No! Then where is he? This parrot's playing games with me. Oh my, hello.
Molly's the name. And that's my brother, Zeke.
Oh, hi Molly. Nice to meet you. My name's Alex Douglas.
Alex, it's time for bed. Are you in your room?
Sorry, Molly, I gotta go. That's my mom calling.
That's okay. See you around, Alex.
Bye, Zeke. What an adventure. I wonder what bird Aunt Libby will riddle with me next. Well, I guess I'll save that for another day. Right, Birdbrain?